All right, this one is number 7 or 97 from 7.5. All right, and as you look at this, we would probably be thinking that the more complicated side is the left side. All right, but here's the issue with this. On the left side, you'll notice that the angles that we're dealing with are 2 alpha. All right, and then the angle that we're dealing with on the right side is 4 alpha. All right. If we work with the left side with those angles that are 2 alpha, there's really no way in which we can get those to be 4 alpha. All right. So it's hard for us to go from a double angle to a quadruple angle. What we can do though is go utilize this cosine of 4 alpha and break that down into 2 alpha. All right. So that's going to be our procedure here. So with this one, it's actually the side that we have to work with is 4 alpha. All right. And this will incorporate the sum and difference formulas that we learned that last week. So we can rewrite 4 alpha as 2 alpha plus 2 alpha. We would probably all be in agreement that 4 alpha is equivalent to 2 alpha plus 2 alpha, right? And those will each become a value of u and v. So we are going to utilize the sum formula for cosine to help us with this one. All right. So the sum formula for cosine goes cosine u cosine v minus sine u sine v. If you check that on your identity sheet, it would. We can confirm that easily. There's nothing we can actually really do other than know that it's equal to 4 alpha. So there's, because if we break these down, we could try using Pythagoreans or something like that, but that's not going to make those angles become 4 alpha. All right. So this is actually a quadruple angle formula for cosine. We don't teach that, but there's really nothing you can do with that left side to make it look like the right side. Okay. So from here, we can go ahead and expand that using the sum formula for cosine. So here's our value of u, here's our value of v, all the way through. So cosine 2 alpha minus sine 2 alpha sine 2 alpha. All right. And if we look at this, cosine 2 alpha times cosine 2 alpha, well, how many of those are there? 2. So we can do what to that? Well, combine, so it would become not 4. It's this time itself, right? Anything time itself is it squared, right? Yeah. So this would become cosine squared 2 alpha. That's what we want, right? Okay. And then the sine 2 alpha and sine 2 alpha would become sine squared 2 alpha. So that is now verified. Okay. This would become this. Cosine squared 2 alpha, that's what we want to attain. This would become sine squared 2 alpha, which is also what we want to get.